Imagine this, you sell on Shopify and you see your stock updates instantly in Etsy. And the other way around. With QuickSync's real-time sync, your inventory stays accurate across both platforms. So Shopify gives you full flexibility with your inventory, right? However, Etsy limits to 999 units. This mismatch creates problems. QuickSync solves it automatically. How? Well, let's say you have 5,000 units on Shopify. Etsy will display 999. As items sell on Etsy, QuickSync deducts from your actual Shopify inventory in the background. And once your stock drops below 999, Etsy reflects the real number automatically. How about overselling? If you allow overselling on your Shopify, QuickSync will keep your Etsy listing active with 1 unit available, so customers can keep on purchasing without any interruption. And if you don't allow overselling, the moment your stock reaches 0, Etsy is automatically updated and your listing will be deactivated. Everything stays in sync. QuickSync tracks inventory changes across both platforms, making sure that each sales is accounted for accurately. No manual adjustments, no mismatches, no inventory drift, all handled automatically in real time. That's how inventory syncing should work with QuickSync.